We got a central AC unit complaints that the fan's not running outside. So on arrival, the fan is definitely not running. Compressor's running, but the fan won't come on. So got the meter out. We're on microfarads. Somebody actually replaced a capacitor at one point and just did just the for the compressor. So we just took the wire off the one side of the capacitor up top here, and if we just do a test, we're showing absolutely nothing on the for the fan. So we're actually going to do away with both of these and just put in one dual like it should be. So that's what we're going to do right now. So we got the two common wires, just go to C on the capacitor. The fan is just the brown, and the hermetic compressor is the blue. Should be able to turn it on, and the fan should come on at this point.